In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a short position in Tradingview chart. We'll start right on the chart. Open your Tradingview charts so you are looking at the symbol and time frame you want to analyze. This is important because the tool will take its prices directly from whatever chart you have active. So make sure you are on the correct market before placing anything. On the left-hand drawing toolbar, look for the Forecast and Measurement Tools icon. It groups tools that help you visualize scenarios and measure potential outcomes. Click that icon to open the drop-down, then choose Short Position. This is the tool designed to map out a short trade, showing where you could place your stop loss and your profit target relative to your entry. Now place it on the chart. Move your cursor to the exact price level where you'd want to enter the short, and click once. Instantly, you'll see a box appear with a red area above the entry line and a green area below it. For a short position, that red zone represents potential loss if price moves up against you. And the green zone represents potential profit if price moves down in your favor. Think of it as a visual snapshot of your trade plan. Next, adjust your levels. Click and drag the top edge of the red zone to set your stop loss, placing it at the price where you would exit if the trade is wrong. Then click and drag the bottom edge of the green zone to set your profit target. As you adjust these, watch how the distances update on the chart. Many traders like to align the stop with a recent swing high and the target with a logical support area. But the exact placement is up to your strategy. The goal is a clear, realistic risk to reward picture before you act. For precise control, double-click the tool to open the settings window. Here you can type in exact entry, stop and target prices for accuracy down to the tick. You can also enter your account size and the amount you are willing to risk, so your plan reflects your real risk parameters. If visibility matters, customize text and line colors to stand out against your chart background, ensuring you can read values at a glance. And that's it. Thanks for watching.